Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Better Discord theme. First, ensure Better Discord is installed on your client. This powerful tool unlocks deep customization, letting you transform Discord's look and feel. We'll cover the essential steps, from setting up your environment to writing your first lines of code. Get ready to personalize your Discord experience with a unique theme that truly reflects your style. To begin, install a reliable code editor such as Visual Studio Code. It offers excellent features for CSS development. Next, create a dedicated folder on your computer to store all your theme files. This keeps everything organized. Inside, you'll primarily work with CSS files, which dictate the visual styles. Familiarizing yourself with basic CSS syntax is crucial for effective theme creation. Now, let's craft your first theme. Open your blank CSS file and begin by targeting Discord elements. Use your browser's developer tools to inspect Discord and find the correct CSS selectors for areas you want to change, like the sidebar or chat window. Experiment with properties such as background colors, font styles, and padding to see your changes come to life. Save your file and load it into Better Discord to preview. For advanced customization, consider using CSS variables. They allow you to define colors or sizes once and reuse them throughout your theme, making updates much simpler. Explore advanced CSS techniques like animations or transitions to add dynamic flair. Once your theme is perfect, you can share it with the Better Discord community. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.